हेलो एवरीवन, आई एम लोकेश एंड वेलकम बैक टू दी चैनल। सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल फ्रेंड्स, आप सभी को हैप्पी न्यू ईयर। एंड इसी के साथ साथ आप सभी जल्दी से प्लेस्ड हो जाएं एंड सून एमएनसीज ऑन बोर्डिंग जो है वो प्रोसेस में स्टार्ट कर दे। This video is very helpful for 23, 24 and 22 batch because so many candidates are asking about lot of queries related to off-campus hiring in which month every year. This video is related to placement calendar of top service-based MNC. In this part 1, we are covering the Infosys, Capgemini, Cognizant, TCS and Accenture. In the upcoming part, we are considering the Wipro and the Mindtree, Deloitte and other MNC. Okay, so let's start the video. I already made so many good videos that is related to Capgemini off-campus drive officially, Accenture off-campus drive for the 22 to 2019 batch. But so many candidates DM me on Instagram related to the hiring for the 23 and 24 batch. And is there any new hiring for the 22 batch also? So in this video, we will discuss about all the exams related information, okay, and what are the salary packages and in which month they are higher every year. Okay, so this is the complete related points we have to talk in this video. So first is Infosys. So most probably in the particular video we are only talking about the off campus hiring because on campus hiring vary करती है college to college. So there are the three examinations that related to the off campus hiring: InfiTQ, Hack with Infi and direct hiring. Most probably InfiTQ and Hack with Infi exam is already completed for the 2023 batch and candidates are waiting for the final result. In the direct hiring, there is a systems engineer hiring, okay, and most probably the system engineer hiring is very famous because in this all branches are eligible and related to many courses, the system engineer or system associate hiring related. So the salary is 3.6 LPA for the SE role and for the DSE there is a 6.25 LPA and 9.5 LPA is the SP role. This is the highest package offered by Infosys in terms of off-campus hiring. Okay, regarding the TCS as well as Cognizant and Accenture, this is the highest package, 9.5 LPA. Okay, so you have opportunity to grab this package. So for the 2023 batch, InfiTQ and Hack with Infi examination is completed. This point is clear. The next important point, what about the system engineer hiring? So every year they will consider the January to March phase for the system engineer hiring. So the new year is started from today. Most probably we have to wait for the phase for the system engineer hiring and most probably they will consider 2022 batch also in this hiring because previously हमने देखा था ना, जब 22 बैच की हायरिंग गई तो 21 को भी कंसीडर करा, 2020 को भी कंसीडर करा. So according to the previous trend, most probably they will consider 23 and 22 batch. For the 2024 batch, you have to wait for some months because InfiTQ and Hack with Infi examination are according to the February and March of the next year. Okay, so this is all about for the Infosys. Second is related to TCS. So what about the TCS off-campus hiring? Generally, TCS are hired through three examinations. Okay, the new examination is related to the TCS cyber security, that is called the HackQuest examination, and this is totally depends on TCS team whether they will conduct the season every year or not. So you can apply through the TCS NQT and it is conducted 2 to 4 times every year according to the phases wise, quarter wise, and there is a TCS free hiring 2 phase every year for the 3.5 LPA salary role, that is a ninja, and for the 7 LPA role, that is for the digital. Most probably they will conduct the phase 1 examination and phase 2 examination, but the months are not confirmed because previously 22 बैच में ऐसा देखा गया था कि बहुत पहले हायरिंग आई थी TCS फ्री हायरिंग एंड आफ्टर द 6 मंथ और 7 मंथ देयर इज अ नेक्स्ट हायरिंग. ओके, सो मोस्ट प्रोबेबली ये जो हायरिंग्स रहती है ये आपको देखने को मिल जाएगी, मतलब मार्च में देखने को मिल जाएगी और वापस से फिर नया ईयर स्टार्ट होगा तो नए ईयर में आपको फरवरी में देखने को मिलेगी. कुछ इस टाइप का डिफरेंस रहता है. एंड द important point is you can apply for the TCS NQT if you have a no eligibility criteria of 60%. So you have a score card of 2 years validity और उससे आप बहुत सारी jobs में apply कर सकते हैं. and Code Vita is already completed for the 2023 batch. 2024 batch have to wait for the Code Vita because the Code Vita examination is just related to Hack with Infi examination, only coding examination. What about the Cognizant? Okay, so the Cognizant stopped the hiring for the 2022 batch as of now because there are hiring according to the business requirement or some of the other points. Most probably they will hire for multiple roles like programmer, analyst, trainee, Gen Z role, CIS role, ITPT. There are different roles according to the requirement. Months are not confirmed because they are announced the hiring, but according to their requirement they will take some of the batches and they will consider some of the batches in the next upcoming month. Hiring hogi, but the months are not confirmed. Salary is 4 to 4.5 LPA or more according to the requirements. Okay. So the next hiring is Accenture. Previously for the 2022 batch, if you are from 2022 batch, so the most यहाँ पर बोल सकते कि सबसे ज्यादा वेट करवाने वाली हायरिंग यही थी 22 बैच के लिए, बट ये आई तो यहाँ पर बहुत लॉन्ग टाइम के लिए ये ओपन रही एंड अभी भी आप जाएंगे पोर्टल पे तो आपको हायरिंग ओपन दिखेगी. द प्रूफ इज एज यू कैन सी ऑन माई स्क्रीन दैट लाइक दिस हायरिंग इज पोस्टेड ऑन द March 11, 2022. मतलब आप समझ सकते हैं कि 22 बैच इस हायरिंग के लिए कितना वेट किया था. दे आर जनरली हायरिंग फॉर द AAC एंड एडवांस AAC, बट मोस्ट प्रोबेबली दे आर कंसिडरिंग फॉर द AAC रोल. 4.5 and 6.5 is the LP is the salary. February to April phase new year is the month that is related to this hiring. Okay, so I already made and my team is already make so many good videos for all of you that is related to preparation, so you can check. And the last company is Capgemini. Capgemini also hiring, but they are considering the December to February phase and they are generally hire for the analyst and senior analyst role. Most probably there is no hiring for the senior analyst previous year, only in the terms of on campus. Okay, not for the off campus. For the off campus, this is the hiring for the senior analyst role. So you have to wait for this phase. And most probably for the 2023 batch, the Capgemini is announced the separate hiring for the 2023 batch. Okay, like just like Accenture, they will consider the 2022 batch. Most probably TCS will also consider the 2022 batch. Hope for the best. And Infosys is also considered for the 2022 batch, as well as regarding the like कि 23 को भी consider, 23 तो रहेगा ही रहेगा, 22 को consider कर सकते, 21 को consider कर सकते. 24 batch have to wait for the official opportunities and you can still apply for the internship opportunities. This all videos are for all of you. I want support from all of you. Like and share the video with your friends. Thanks for watching the video.